This is Jamal Takkko, Deputy President, Fine, Pakistan Awami Inkılab Movement, France. This is the official Fine statement sent to people across the world by Fine on my behalf. I read it as it is. Iman, Sima Algha, and Asia Alamdar, SVP, Fine. Pakistan Awami Inkılab Movement, France, Germany, Lebanon, Park Avenue, Beirut, Lebanon. Assalamu alaikum, Muslim brothers and sisters. Deputy President, Pakistan Awami Inkılab Movement, Fine, France, Mr. Jamal Takkko, on behalf of Fine momenters, have condemned the Israel act of war terrorism against civilians in Gaza. Jamal Takkko said such Israel atrocities must be noticed by UN, and UN must interfere fast and play its role vital to stop bloodshed of Gaza civilians by Israelis. Mr. Jamal Takkko said, ever since Israel attacked Gaza, UN is playing weird and shown non-actionary attitude towards the issue, which has put the UN stability at stake. Mr. Jamal Takkko said, it is the time that Muslims of world and their leaders must get united on one platform and execute some solid plan against such acts of anti-Muslim forces. Mr. Jamal Takkko said, world community must intervene and use all the sources to stop bloodshed in Gaza. He said there should be a limit to insensitivity which Muslim community rulers are showing toward Israel aggression. Israel's invasion is set to whole Muslim world. Jamal Takkko said, Fine expressed deep sorrow and grief over the deaths of children, women, and old people in Gaza due to constant bombardment of Israeli forces. Thank you. मगर इसके बाद मैं ये खुशी कहना चाहूँगा कि यूएन ने जो मुजरमाना खामोशी इस मामले में इख्तियार कर रखी है वो काबिल मज़म्मत है, जिससे यूएन की गैर जानबदारी मशकूक होती है। जब इतने बंदे मरते हैं तब बाद में वो लोग उठते हैं, यानी कि ये लोग यूएन अमेरिका का पिट्ठू है। और इसके साथ साथ मैं ये भी कहूँगा कि जितने भी पूरी दुनिया में लोग हैं जो एक्सट्रीमिस्ट हैं, वो भी अपनी हरकतों से बाज आए, जिसकी वजह से फलस्तीन के अंदर बेकसूर लोग मारे जा रहे हैं। So this war has been to stop.